honest, I really didn't got time, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, you guys are busy with those exams which are happening, right?
Walaikum sir.
Walaikum salam, walaikum salam. So how was your paper?
Sir, it was alhamdulillah very good.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So for the first time, you are very happy about your paper. Good, good. So Tejasvi prayed, I prayed, and Abhi prayed, and then you worked hard, and then you are. So let's hope that this the result that shows so your work, your hard work shows it. Good, good, very good. Yeah. So whatever the question paper was, you please send that question paper in the group so that all the rest of the people practice those questions. Okay. Yeah, and where is this Abir again? So she didn't join in the previous class also, right? And yeah, so only I assigned this thing to Tejasvi, right? Because Amina had this exam. Yeah, Tejasvi, uh, how many things you are completing simultaneously, right? You guys have lots of notes, I can understand. So there are 5 or 6 subjects you guys have to prepare, and the exams are there. But okay, so with those problems. Oh, so you have already sent me those questions. So I will send it to you. And eight question you got.
No, sir, 10.
Oh, so you have 10 questions. Yes. I will send it. Oh, so that this is the good. So this was the question that I told you to practice, right? And this is a 4 mark question. Good. Right, Amira? The 10th number
Mm,
question. This
yes,
was.
sir. This was the same question that you gave before the a night before the exam.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Divided by the x-axis. Yeah. That question we also. So that question we also. Yeah. This is the big part that. This paper was pretty easy, right? Oh, you already got the result.
No, sir.
Who has written the 60?
Sir, it's just my predicted marks that I am predicting.
Good. Now, prepare for the full mark, right? Yes, Tejasvi, did you get the question paper?
Uh, Actually, sir, I am not having the phone.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so whenever you have the phone, please look at those paper and tell me what kind of question are these, right? So Tejasvi has become expert in mathematics, right? So I remember when we had this first class, Tejasvi was very skeptical about this math subject, right? So I hope that in this journey, she has some confidence about this math. Yes. Okay,
Thank
where
you,
is
So
sir.
the question I was stuck in was question number 5 and 6. I had no clue what to do.
question number 5 and 6? Yeah. Question number 5. Then the length of BP. So how many marks? 2 marks. So AB is given, BC is given. If AC is also given, then the length of BP, right? The length of BP they want us to calculate. Yeah. So, yeah. So we have this question, right? But firstly, I will do this part. Where is how many questions?
Answer in the third MCQ.
Hmm.
How many parallel tangents can a circle have?
How
Like
many?
at one time it can have two, but at like if there is no given point, then it can have infinite, right? I had
Yeah.
like uh, doubt in this one also.
Yeah, yeah. So how many parallel tangents can a circle have? Right? At one point, if you want to draw, so that would be two. Right? That would be two. Let's say if you have drawn one tangent, so parallel to that tangent would be the extreme opposite one. But obviously, we can have infinite tangent, but those would not be parallel, right? So we can have that would be different circles, not the same circle. Right. So what did you have? Yeah, what did you write? Two or infinite?
No, sir, I wrote two.
That is correct. Good. That is correct. Yeah, you so this one would be the pattern, right? Or this can also be pattern. But these are two different circles. In one circle, we will have if you are drawing one line, so parallel to that would be only this line. So only two, right? Yeah. But you were asking me about this question. So this is not a circle, but yeah, so AB is 10. So first, let us write these things. So if this is X, what would be this thing?
X,
X. And this is Y, so this is
Y,
Y. And this is Z, so this is
Z.
Z. Good. So now you see that, so we have AB. What is the A? So A, B, and C. And you have P, Q, and R. Right. So these are the things that you have and the length of BP that you want to find out. So you have to find out this Z. So AB, you know, AB is how much? 10. And BC also. BC is also 10. And then you have what? Then you have this thing. AC is 7. So how can I write ZX and 10 relation? How can I write that? Yes.
If Q would be the midpoint,
No, no, no. Why? Which where is this written that Q is midpoint? Okay, so if you add BQ plus QC, what would be that?
10,
And from this diagram, what do we have? This is Z plus X equals to 10. Let's say this is 1. Similarly, Z plus Y is how much?
10.
Okay, so now if we compare, okay, we can write other thing also. So x plus y is 7. So we have these three equations, right? We can solve three different linear equations, but from analogy we can also see that. So let's say if you have z plus x 10, right? And you can calculate the value of z from here, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you can put this value in here. So this would be how much? 10 minus x plus y, and this is 10. So this 10 will cancel. So you will have minus x plus y equals to 0. So this x goes over there, so x equals to y. And we can also see from this analogy. So if you are adding z plus x is 10, z plus y is 10. So same thing is adding and it is becoming 10. So x and y should be what?
Equal.
Equal, right? So that is what we are getting. So if x equals to y, then you can calculate x plus y is 7. So then you can calculate, you can write y as x. So this is 2x. So x is 7 by 2, which is, so x is 7 by 2. But we have to find out what? Z we have to find out, right?
Yes, sir.
So Z is 10 minus x. So this is 20 minus 7 by 2, which is 13 by 2. This is our Z or BP. Right? Is this thing clear, Tejasvi and Mira?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we have to just write everything and then solve. So this will be there. You guys please note down this problem. Yeah, this one needed some thinking. So this was a little tough question. Yes. So did you solve this question?
No, sir.
Yeah. So, so not that tough, but tricky, right? But you know that we have to use tangents, right? So just leaving those things would give you some idea. So first we have to make the diagrams and then label. So if we label those things, then that would be easy.
Sir, was this paper tough or easy for us?
Yeah, what is the what?
At the paper level is tough, easy, or intermediate?
Okay, how do we decide that?
Yes, sir, like for us students.
So let's say that there are collective students, right? And let's say in your class there are 40 students, and 25 are saying that the paper was tough, which means that paper was tough, right? So that depends upon the overall whatever the majority people are saying, right? So that decides. So for us, let's say for one people, the paper would be very easy, which means that he or she has prepared that thing a lot, right? He had this full preparation. So for that, for him, that question paper would be very easy. But let's say that all of the people have gone through the syllabus and they have practiced only the NCRT and some extra things, right? And then the question comes out of, let's say, RD Sharma or higher ABCD, right? So then all of the people will say that the question is
But
very
sir, still according to you, how was it?
for me. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
So for me, let's say if I don't understand the question, then that paper is tough, right? Whatever
Like
I have,
so, like
yeah.
like my performance. So how was like it was
Yeah,
according
so
to my.
so if you are able to understand the question, then that paper is easy, right? So that is the idea. If we are able, we have prepared all the concept, we have practiced those sample papers, and then we are looking at those questions. So if you look at the question paper, right? So did you find any difficulties those question paper as a whole? You did not find,
No,
right?
sir, except not question number 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Because actually I'm getting more this time, but before when I had AP,
Mm.
I practiced 3 times or 5 times more better than coordinate and circles. But still I'm getting more marks in coordinate and circles, and in AP I got very low marks.
Yeah, so maybe you didn't explore those kind of questions, right? Maybe you didn't try, yeah, so you are saying that you have practiced 5 times. Maybe you didn't understand the question correctly, right? So yeah, maybe there was, or it may also happen that there were some calculations. Those things can happen. So if you didn't get, then we just practice more, right? Which means what? That you need less practice in these things. You need more practice in it. So that is the conclusion that we get, right? Yeah. So that is what we will do. That Tejasvi, you and Abir will decide that what should be the next topic that we should do together. Right? So collectively, what topic we should. But before that, I'll start this surface area concepts. So first, I complete that part, and then we will revise some portion which is in which you guys are less confident. Those things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we have improved a lot. So don't think too much, right? Why you are thinking that paper is easy? You just practice. You just do the work and leave it to our mind. Just work hard, practice this paper, and then just do. Yes, Tejasvi and Amira, did you guys note it down?
Yes, sir.
Amira, what about you?
No, sir.
Yeah, one, one minute. So who is this? Is this Abir?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Welcome. So what? Yeah, one more. One. Yeah, sorry about that. So what were we doing, right? That was a very good right. Okay, so this is the question that we do. So we were solving this right practice paper that we got from Marshall. So what was the question? What was the last question that we did? Did we do this sector part?
No, sir, we just started the question paper.
We start.
We just started this one. Oh,
Yes, sir, we have just done one MCQ.
oh yeah. I remember it now that yeah. So we were discussing those circles and yeah, those coordinate geometry. Yeah. So now the second question was. So the second question was the maximum value of 1 by sec theta, right? So 1 by sec theta is cos theta. And if we see the table, so cos theta goes from this thing. So the maximum value of cos theta is what? 1, right? And yeah, so this is the correct answer. 1 by sec theta is cos theta and maximum value is 1. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you guys solve this thing and tell me what you guys are getting, right? So you guys please solve this third one and don't look at this. So all these are correct. Now you guys solve this one and tell me which one is correct one. Right. So please solve this third part. And I know you guys already know how to just. So you guys have done so many questions and you guys can do all these problems. So please, one. So did you guys get the result?
Sir, I got D as the answer.
T. Cos A cos theta you are getting. Theta, what about it? And yeah, if you are stuck at some point, just that.
Sir, I'm not able to understand what to
Hmm.
do.
Yeah. So what is the one trick that we have mastered? What is the one trick?
Change everything into sine and cos.
Yeah, that is the one trick. So whenever we are stuck, that thing will use. Right. So this question is NCRT one, right? And you guys have done this problem on. So you see that the LCM is cos theta. So this would be 1 plus sine theta. Now you tell me. So now you will help me in finding the answer. So
Identity.
so this is identity, right? So what is that?
A plus B minus B is equals to A square minus B square.
So 1 square minus sine square theta, right? Divided by cos theta. So this is 1 minus sine square theta. Now you tell me what is this thing? Where did you reach? What is this thing?
Cos square A.
Cos square
Cos
theta, right?
square theta.
So you have cos square theta, denominator is cos theta, so 1 cos theta will cancel, and you will get this thing, right? So what was the doubt in this question?
Nothing, sir.
And the part of theta. Yes, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us understand next. I will skip this part, right? Because this type of question we have done. Or let us understand. So the length of the minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter, right? So we have a clock, and let's say this is the minute hand. So this length is 21 centimeter, and then the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes it reaches here. So you see that this is making a sector, right? So we have to, this radius is given. So what is the area of a sector, Amila? Area of sector is how much? Yes. What is the area of sector?
Theta by 360 into pi square.
Good. So this is the area of sector. So this theta r we know that is 21 centimeter. This theta we have to find out, right? So for minute hand, what do we know? This minute hand makes a complete circle in how much minutes?
60.
So in 60 minutes, it makes a 360-degree angle, right? Full rotation. Full rotation is a 360-degree angle, right? So it starts from here, then comes here, then comes here. So in 60 minutes, it gets back to its initial position. So this is the angle that it is making, right? This total
Yes,
angle
sir.
is 360. So in 1 minute, this would be 360 by 60 unitary method, and then in 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, this would be 6 into 10. So this is 60 degrees. So now we have this angle, we have this R. So then we can calculate the area, which is 60 by 360. And yes, what happened? Who is coughing? Yes. Okay, so yeah, R is how much? 21. So this is 6, this is 3, this is 2, this is 11. So this is how much? 11, 1, 11, 20, 231 centimeters square. So this assertion is correct. This is the area that we are getting. Is this reason correct, guys?
No, sir.
Tejasvi is saying this is incorrect. What is your answer?
So
Amira?
it's wrong, incorrect.
Incorrect. Good. So this should be how much? This should not be there. Right. This 2 should not be there. So
Sir,
P
P
ang
should,
P is anger, right? P is anger. So they are telling that this is P anger. We have
oh,
written theta, this is P. So P
okay.
by 360 and it should be pi r square, not 2 pi. So yes, you guys are good, everyone. So now we have done this problem. So A is true, but R is false, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will tell you guys to do this fifth problem. Fifth problem you guys have done something like this one in exercise 8.2. In this exercise, you have done this problem. This is not from the identity, this is from the specific values. So you guys please do this problem. And if you guys are stuck, so I'm here. Okay. But before you do that, you guys please try this.
So I got the answer.
Tell me what you guys. Yes, what did you get, Dinesh?
Sir, A I got as 30 degree and B 15 degree.
And what about you, Amira? Do you have any doubts? Or
Sir,
you
one
are stuck
minute.
at. You have a doubt.
Sir, I'm stuck.
Okay, good. So whenever we have these kind of questions in which we have to find these angles. And do we know something about this right hand side? Do we know something about this thing?
It's in the trigonometric table.
Yeah, so how can we write this root 3 by 2 as sine of some? What is this? What is
120.
sine?
120 degree.
120. We didn't reach this 120 part. We are highest we went is 90. So between 0 to 90, what
Sine
is this value?
sine
Yes,
60.
sine 60, right? So Tejasvi is helping you. This is sine 60, right? Amira, do you remember now?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now you see both are sine, so this should be equal to this, right? So you got a plus 2b as 60. Similarly, you have this thing cos a plus 4b. This is 0. So how can we write this 0?
Cos
Yes,
90.
cos absolutely correct. Good. So cos 90 is 0. So this again cancels, right? And a plus 4b is 90. So now you have two unknowns, A and B, and you have two equations. So this is first one, right? And this is the second one. So if we write this one, all of yours favorite elimination method, so we have already this coefficient same. So if we subtract these two, then this will get cancelled, right? So if we subtract these two, then this will get cancelled. And this is 2b and this is 30. So b is how much? 30 by 2, which is 15, which is what TJSV has got. Similarly, we have to put this value in one of the equations. So a plus 2 into 50. So this is a equals to 60 minus 30. So a is so this would be the answer. So yes, this is also correct. Did you understand this part, Abhira?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so quickly note it down and then what I will so then we'll talk about the next question. Yeah, Amira, whenever you have noted it down, please
Noted, sir.
note it. So how many more exams are remaining, right? How many more? So maths
Sir,
exam.
sir, my
Yes,
maths exam was on Tuesday, and then today I had a social exam, and tomorrow I have the last exam, that is Arabic.
last exam is
Arabic tomorrow.
Arabic. Arabic. Yeah, so Arabic, that is it, right? Okay, so sixth one, right? Guys, this one is very, very easy. This is first exercise 8.1. This is 8.1. So you guys please solve this one, right? You guys should be able to. I know that this one is easy for you. So you guys solve this one. Tan theta, you guys know, right? and you have to find out this thing. So please solve this question and tell me what are you guys getting. And this question, the B part, I will. Yeah, tell me what are you guys getting. This in this question, ratio is given, right? We don't need to find out the trigonometric identity. Ratio is already
So I'm getting the answer as 17 by 7.
17 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So Amira is getting 17 by 7. Yes, Tejasvi, what about you?
Sir, I made mistake somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, so let us try to. Yes. Yeah. So you are also making some mistakes. Yeah, no worries. Because I also, when I was doing this calculation of area related to circles, so I made many mistakes. Don't you worry, guys. Whenever you guys make mistake, and so, yeah, tan theta is 12 by 5, right? So this is theta A and B and C. If this is theta, this is perpendicular. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. So this is 12, this is 5. Now we have to find out this hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is perpendicular square plus base square. So this is 12 square plus 5 square, 144.25. So 169, so 30. So we have got 30. So sine theta is how much? This is 12 by 30 e by h. Cos theta is b by h, 5 by 30. So now we have to find out, right? We have to find out this guy. What is this thing? Sine theta is 12 by 30. Cos theta is 5 by 30. Sine theta is 12 by 30 minus 5 by. So these are the same, right? So this is 13, so 12 plus 5. And 13, 12 minus 5. So this is 17 by 7. Yes, correct. Correct. Where did you do the calculation mistake? Just
Sir, the squaring part.
no, the squaring part. Okay, good. So please note it down and then we'll do the next. Next question again asked you guys to please we note it down and
Done, sir.
good. So now let us do the next. And again, this time you guys right. Okay. So the B part. This is application of trigonometry, right? So Amira, this time they have asked coordinate geometry and circles. So what will they ask in the next exam?
So next is term two. So we have a lot of chapters.
Lot of okay, yeah. Then yeah, you tell me those syllabus and then we prepare this. Yeah, you guys try this question. Application of trigonometry one. I will not make the diagram because if I make the diagram, then that will be easy. So you guys make the diagrams. What is one? Yeah, you guys make the diagram and solve this question. And if you guys have any doubt in this problem, then
So the B1 is from applications of trigonometry.
yeah, B is from application of trigonometry, right? This is the part.
Oh, okay.
Guys, solve this one and tell me this is one is easy for you guys, right? But if you have any doubt, then you can. Okay, so what okay, these are and so is this you, Tejasvi 950?
Uh, Phone number, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
No, sir. It will be 5 7 6 7 2 5 at the last.
5 minutes with us. Oh, Shreyash. Shreyash is text. Okay, so yeah, I've got the chapter, Samira, and yeah. So did you guys get the results? Why Shreyas is texting? Yeah, did you guys got the result? Okay. Yes, guys, did you guys get the result? What did you guys not
I
understand
got
this problem?
7.5.
7.5 you got.
Yes, sir.
Amina got 7. Tejasvi, what about you?
Sir, I'm still doing.
Yeah, so let us understand. Right. So we have what are two poles? Let us make two poles. This one and this one. And they have different heights. So this one is surely 30 meters. Right. Let us make the ground of this pole. This is 50. So what would be? These are the top of these two poles, right? So if we connect the line joining their tops, so this is the line joining their tops, and the horizontal would be this one, right? So, Tejasvi, you tell me if this is 15, so how much is this thing?
15, sir.
This is 15, good. This is how much? So this is 60 that they have given. This is how much? This is 15, total is 30. So this is how much? From here to here. From here to here, this is 50, right? Total is 30. So this would be 30 minus 50, right? Total is 30. This one is 50. So this is 30 minus 50. So this would be 50. Correct, seriously.
Yes, sir.
So now this is 50. This is 60. And the distance between the poles. So this would be the distance between the poles, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find this is base. This is perpendicular that we know. This angle you already. So perpendicular to base, tan 60 relates the perpendicular and base, right? So this would be tan 60 perpendicular by base, which is 15 by b that we want to find out. Tan 60 is root 3, 15 by b. So b would be this root 3 will come in the denominator. So if we rationalize this thing, so this will become 15 root 3 divided by 3. So 5. Oh, so how you are getting, okay, so this is 5 and if you put root 3 as 1.7, this would be 8.5, right? Meters. How did you get 7.5, Amira?
Sir, actually, I used cos.
Cos. So this is perpendicular and base, right?
Yes, sir,
So
my figure is something else.
hmm, yeah, yeah. So good, good. Yes, is this clear, Tejasvi?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we'll stop it here, right? And in the next class,